Hello, dear viewers. Welcome back to my channel. Today, we're going to unravel a Python script that deals with managing processes on your computer. Now in this video, I will show you how you can kill a process using Python. It's a powerful tool that can help you better understand what's running on your system and even terminate specific processes if needed. Let's dive right into it. To start, we're importing a Python library called Sutl. This library allows us to access information about running processes on your computer. Now, let's take a look at the list_processes function. This function is designed to list all the running processes on your computer. It does this by using the sutl.process_attr function with specific attributes, which in this case are the process ID, PID, and the name of the process. Moving on to the kill_process function. This function takes the name of a process as an input. It then searches through the list of running processes and terminates the one that matches the given name. We're almost there. After defining these functions, we call the list_processes function to display all the running processes on the screen. Now, here's where you come in. The script asks you which process you'd like to terminate. You'll need to enter the name of the process exactly as it appears in the list. Finally, the script calls the kill_process function with the process name you provided. If it finds a match, it terminates that process. And there you have it. This Python script allows you to view and, if needed, terminate processes running on your computer. Please use this power responsibly, as terminating essential system processes can cause instability. If you have any questions or need further assistance with this script, feel free to leave a comment below. Don't forget to like this video if you found it informative, subscribe my channel for more tech-related content, and hit the notification bell to stay updated. Thank you for tuning in, and we'll see you in the next video.